Hi everyone, my name is Comfort and I will be showing you how to convert a YouTube video into an MPEG audio layer 3, also known as MP3 on a Mac operating system. Two simple ways of going through this are either an online-based YouTube to MP3 converter or downloading an MP3 converter software on your computer for more frequent use. I will be using Google Chrome as my web browser for this presentation, but you can use any other browser you are most comfortable using, such as Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, etc. So we are going to start off by going to google.com and search for download YouTube to MP3 converter for Mac. Scroll down a bit and click the link that says free YouTube to MP3 converter dash the easiest way to save ... Scroll slightly down and click on the orange-red apple icon on the left to download a file called YouTube to mp3.dmg. Download the file to a common location you're familiar with on your computer. This is usually the downloads folder, so wait for it to download. Click on the file if it pops up directly beneath your browser, or go to the location where you downloaded the file and double-click it to begin the installation process. On the pop-up window, we're going to drag and drop the YouTube to MP3 icon into the Applications folder. Now we can close the installation window. Go to the Finder icon on the dock. Scroll down and click the eject button next to the YouTube to MP3 under the Devices section to close the install drive. Run the program by going to your Applications folder in your Finder window and scroll to the YouTube to MP3 icon. You can also press Command plus spacebar on your keyboard and type YouTube, and the application link should pop up, and click the link. A window may pop up asking you if you really want to open the application, so click Open. Once the application is open, click on the YouTube to MP3 on the taskbar next to the Apple logo and click on Preferences. Right now we're looking at the Finder, but click on the Finder and X out. Now click on the YouTube to MP3, and then it appears back up next to the Apple logo. We can now click on the YouTube to MP3 on the taskbar and click on Preferences. Then click on the Audio Output tab, click Choose. Here you can set the location where you want the MP3 files to download. Since we want to save them to iTunes, click on your home folder. Mine is called Aries, and yours will probably have the computer name. Double click on Music, then iTunes Media, then Music folder. Then click Choose. Let's note that this sets all MP3 files to be downloaded directly to the iTunes folder for better organization. So now we can close the preference window. Go back to your web browser, close up web page that the software opens, or start a new tab, and go to youtube.com. Now we can search for the video we want to convert into an MP3. A suggestion is, if it is a music video, I recommend the YouTube video that plays the song from start to finish, as some official music videos have portions at some point of the video without any music playing, but again, those preferences are up to the user. Once the video is playing, There could be commercials.
Hey, where's Rudy?
You can drag from the little paper to the left of the link and drop into your converter icon on your dock. On your converter software, there should be a banner with the video being converted into MP3. Some newer versions of the converter software let you edit the song name, artist name, album name, and even the album artwork. So to download, click the little download facing arrow on the right. Once it is done downloading, we are going to right click on the banner and click the locate saved file. A Finder window should pop up showing the MP3 file located in the music folder. You can either double click on the MP3 file if your default music player is iTunes, and it will begin to play after automatically adding the song into your iTunes library. We can also note that you can also add the song into your iTunes library by opening your iTunes, then drag and drop the file into your iTunes library or playlist you may want to put the song under. So this is pretty much how to convert a YouTube video into an MP3 file for your iTunes. You can also use these MP3 files for Microsoft computers, for Windows Media Player, or any other media player that plays audio files. To download more songs, you can just open the application and begin from step 7. Thank you, and I hope this video was very helpful.